It's your girl D. We're going to be reacting to Andy Gibb. Now, this song was requested, you guys. Don't want to waste any time, so let's just get to it.
The stage is set and the show must go on. The spotlight's burning down into my face. The drummer sits up high upon his rostrum. Guitarists play each other face to face. And when it's over, I'll stop and wonder and never understand. 'Cause leaving this was never in my plans. And when I'm playing, all I see is things you'll never find. Flowing rivers passing through my mind. Deceiving and receiving was my pastime. To any girl who liked my written line, they think that any moment I'd be their guy. But crying never justified my life. Oh no. But next time round will be the same. They'll never understand that hurting them was never in my plans. And my songs will flow like passing clouds, something in each line. Flowing rivers passing through my mind. I've gotta go, I finished what I came for. Playing every city state to stay. Singing every town that learned to like me. Modest payments paid for what I am. Are you standing there, tears in your eyes? You once called me a man. Loving you was never in my plans. Oh, but we'll go together, you and I, till we both find flowing rivers passing through my mind. And we'll go together, you and I, till we both find flowing rivers passing through my mind.
Okay, so that was the end of the song, you guys. This song was requested. The person that requested the song, hope you enjoyed it as much as I did. I definitely felt the lights were a key factor. I liked the fact that how the lights was like shaped around them, like even though they was on stage, and then you had lights on top of the stage, so that definitely was a key feature, you guys. I liked the harmony between all three of the guys, even Andy himself. I don't know who the other three guys is. If anybody know who they is, please comment down below. Was they like a group or something, or was they just like random like background singers? If anybody know who they is, comment down below. I definitely enjoyed this performance. They all killed it. They all harmonized so well together. I definitely enjoyed this performance. It was very soothing, a transparent, performance. It definitely was a lighter tone, which is what I love. It was rich. It was beautiful, and I definitely enjoyed it. And I hope you guys enjoyed it as much as I did. And yeah, you guys, it was just beautiful. I liked it, the whole darkness, thing going on, and then like with all the lights, like in the center of the performance, gave it that darkness and lightness type of thing. So I definitely thought that was a key factor and key feature. So with that being said, I enjoyed this performance. And with that being said, make sure you show your greatness and hit that like button and subscribe. I did get a late start today, you guys, due to my situation, but it didn't stop me from doing what I gotta do and doing what I love to do for you guys, too as well, because I love you guys that much too. And you guys been, just so good to me and just sticking by me, with me and stuff like that. And yeah, you guys, and I'm just so grateful for you guys, and I love you, I love you, I love you, and I can't say it enough. And yeah, you guys, and I truly mean that with, out the YouTube stuff, I truly mean it. So yeah, you guys, I love you. So, honey, that's real, and that's nothing money can buy. So yeah. Yeah, if anybody know my situation, my mom being sick, and me, taking care of her and loving her the way I do, and just supporting her and just being her rock and her inspiration. I'm that same way for you guys too. So I hope you know that. And yeah, I just love doing both of those things. Taking care of my mom and performing for you guys. So yeah.